Hello students, this is a case study based question on first chapter of your numbers. This question is like, Shelby is a tuition teacher and teaches mathematics to some kids in her home. Okay, she is very innovative and always plan new game to make the students learn concept. Today she has planned prime number game. Okay, it is a prime number. Remember, she announces the number 2 in her class. The number told by the teacher is 2. Okay, this is the number that is told by the teacher, that is 2. Remember, this is the number that is told by the teacher. Okay, and in her class, and ask the students to multiply the prime number and then pass to second step. It means the student has to multiply the prime number itself. They cannot multiply the other numbers. Okay, they cannot multiply the other numbers. They have to go on multiplying the prime numbers. Second student also multiply the prime number and pass it to the third student. Okay, it was in this way. By multiplying the prime number, the last student got 1,73250. Okay, that is 1,73,250. He told this number to Shelby in the class. Now she asked some question regarding that. She is asking some question. Okay, how many students are there in the class? Okay, so we will take the prime factors of 1,73250. We don't know any other numbers. We know only one number, that is 2. We know only one prime number, that is 2. It can be anything. It can be 3-digit number, 4-digit number. They have not specified. Okay. But when we take the prime number, when we do the prime factorization, we will start from the least number, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and we go on dividing or getting the prime factors like this. And we have got the prime factors. 1,73250. The prime factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 11. Okay, so this we will group and write 2 into 3 into 3 we can write as 3 square, 5 into 5 into 5 we can write as 5 cube into 7 into 11. Okay, so the first question, how many students are there in the class? Okay, as I told earlier, this is the number told by the teacher. It is not the number that the student has selected. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, for the first sub question, the answer is 7. There are 7 students in the class. How did we get to know? Because there are 7 prime numbers. Except these two, there are 7 prime numbers. We have not considered these two. How many people are there in the class? Including the teacher, there are 8 people in the class. But they are asking, how many students are there in the class? How many students are there in the class? 7 prime numbers are there. Excluding two, there are 7 prime numbers. So there are 7 students. How many people are there in the class? Including the teacher, there are 8 prime numbers. What we have got. Okay. For the second sub question, what is the highest prime number used by the student? You can see here. Which is the highest prime number? 11 is the highest prime number used by the student. Okay. What is the least prime number has been used by the students? Used by the students, again they are asking. They are not asking what is the least prime number used. Used by the people in the class, then we would have known 2. But here the answer is not 2. Why it is not 2? Because what is the least prime number that has been used by the students? Which are the numbers that are used by the students? These are the numbers that are used by the students. Okay. In this, among these numbers, which is the least prime number? For the third sub question, the answer is 3. Because the least prime number is 3 over here. Whereas when we include all the numbers, all the 8 numbers, 2 is the least prime number. But here we are taking 3 as the least prime number. Okay. Fourth sub question, which prime number has been used maximum times? The maximum times which prime number has been used by the students. We can see here. Which prime number has highest power? We can see here 5 has the highest prime number. 5 is the prime number which has highest power. Therefore, which is the prime number that has been used by the students? 5 is the prime number that has been used by the students maximum times. Okay, that is about this question regarding all these 3 questions. You can solve how many students are there in the class.